Continuing on my little series that I've been doing on converting shapes into different objects such as picture frames and also text frames, this time we're going to just show an easy way to create text on a path. So I'm going to go to the Shape tool and let's start with the Segment tool, and I'm going to draw out a segment, and I'll just take this little red dot and make it into kind of a half circle. Kind of looks like a raindrop. So let's go to Layer and Convert to Text Path. And now you see we've got a red spot here, which we can drag to where we want our text to stop, and a green one where we can have our starting point. And so that just went a little bit over the edge, so I'm just going to select it all, and then I can work with the size of the font. And I actually think just one lower, let's try 35, that did the trick, so now it fits. Actually, let's move that a little bit. All right, and now what we can do is we can go and select this and go to this text frame tool. We can get rid of the fill on it, and now it's just in the shape of that kind of half ellipse. Let's do one more. So for this one, let's use the new Spiral tool. So we'll draw out a spiral, and we'll move it over here, and I just want 3 turns for this. So up in this box here for turns, we'll just switch that to 3, and I will rotate that like that. All right, now we're ready to do Layer, Convert to Text Path, and then let's just select that. We'll just copy and paste it a couple times. And maybe Control A, and let's just maybe make this just a tiny bit bigger. 36. Now it goes all the way to the end. So let's click away so that you can see what that looks like. And we can obviously change the font of any of this. So let's just select it all again. We've got a pretty bold font on here. How about that? All right. So I hope you find that an easy way to create text on a path in Affinity. Thanks for watching.